All right, let's talk about email services. So this is an addition to your Google Workspace, like which I talked to you about before, setting up. You do have to have a professional email, so you've already set that up. But this part is the sending domain. So we're going to create a dedicated sending domain so that you know, all the automations and emails and things that are going to be integrated here in your SaaS account, your agency, for all of your sub accounts for your clients, they're going to be automatically set up with a subdomain that'll send out their emails through the CRM, through GoHighLevel, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to email services right below the last video we just did under, you know, we just talked about phone integration. You're going to go to email services, and you're, you know, it may obviously look a little different because I already have mine set up, but you're going to click on dedicated domain here, and you're going to click on, I have a bunch that I had started for my clients, and you actually want to have one that is, and this is actually perfect because you want to have a different subdomain for your own account. And I'm going to also show you in a different video that you, depending on the client, they may, if they're sending a ton of email, you may actually want to create a specific sending domain for them individually that has it so that they have a matching domain, and this will actually help their deliverability. But for now, when you're just getting started, just want to do like lc.yourdomain.com or mail or replies, something different than what you'll be using to send your automated emails in your sub accounts in your agency. So this is just when they sign up, they're automatically going to be start using this domain subdomain. So you just go open up GoDaddy and just do replies.yourdomain.com and then add and verify. It's going to actually show, let me see. When you click add and verify, it'll be, it'll show up all the things that you need to put into your DNS servers. So you're going to click, normally if you're using GoDaddy, actually will probably open up GoDaddy and try to integrate by automatically. But here I'm just going to click on add records, and then basically what you're going to do is go to the DNS records like we did before, and then you just go txt and then put this in your hosting. And actually what you want to do is see where it says krs._domain, or if I copy and paste this and put this in a doc, let me see if I can put it in a text document. You don't want to actually put the whole thing there. You want to actually just put, if you can see this, it says .replies.Stacia Kennedy, the domain that I put in there, subdomain. You actually don't want to put that whole thing. You just actually want to copy the front part of that that code there, and then copy this entire code for the required value. So record, host, and then this value without the subdomain and the domain there, name there here. You can click watch the help video for more information. And if you're still having technical difficulties on this, again, you can text me or set up a call and I can help walk you through this. But it's once you have this set up, again, these are just the steps to get it up and running. You won't have to come back in here again unless you're setting up so setting up specific subdomains, sending domains for each client. But for now, just set that up for yourself and then go on to the next video. Again, this is the reason why we're doing this, is so that all the automations and everybody who signs up as a client for you can send out emails, and it'll come from this. But we'll also make sure that in the next few videos too, that they also get synced in when they onboard when you onboard your clients, which I'll show you as well too. It'll sync all their emails into the conversational tab. So all their emails and text messages will also get synced inside of HighLevel, as well as be sent to their Google Workspace or their regular Gmail. All right. Again, if you have any questions, text me or book a call, and we'll see you on the next video.